They say greatness is about being the best, never stopping. They ask me what it takes to stay at the top. The real question is, what keeps you grounded? It's not trophies that shine brightest. It's the unseen moments, the quiet heart of home, and time well spent. They call me captain, champion, but the real titles that count are dad and husband. Even when the world calls me a legend, I remain simply Luka.